Terrible policies will kill your business. Let's see how. This is Neil Patel, helping you succeed through online marketing.
We are going to talk about how terrible policies will kill your business. So this episode was inspired by an experience that I had. And typically I don't like to name names, but I think it's helpful to give examples here. So basically I had signed up for a travel company. Basically like they give you kind of deals on flights and all that, right? So I saw a charge come through. Like I paid for the first year, I paid $99 or so. And I saw another charge that came through for $99. But to be honest, I didn't use the product for the year. So I'm like, okay, if I paid for the first year, like that's on me, right? But they charged me again. And I was like, hey guys, like I haven't used the product. You can look at my usage. Like I haven't used it. Can you just refund me the money? Let me just ask you, Neil, should I typically get the money back or not?
You should. And if they won't, then you should do a chargeback.
Yep. Which, I mean, so this company, Dollar Flight Club, so that we go back and forth with them, and they're like, yeah, as a matter of policy, we can't do it, but we'd like to give you access for the next year or whatever. I'm like, but you just took my money.
Wow. If they keep doing stuff like this, it's just going to hurt their brand, and in the long run, it's going to cause less growth. So it's just like, do you want to charge someone $99 to have a bad experience and then badmouth you to others? Like, even if they're wrong and it's not that much money, like when there's small amounts like $99, $10, $50, whatever it is, you should just refund people even if they ended up using it. That's at least my philosophy, because those kind of policies really hurt your revenue in the long run.
People make mistakes, but like at least they own up to it, and that's what's important, because you're never going to get your product or service 100% right out the gate.
I totally agree with you on that one. It's kind of crazy to think about and how people go about, with their internal philosophies. And what do they say? Penny wise, pound foolish, right? They're just trying to make a quick buck and they're not thinking long term. And, if you look at Warren Buffett in his annual letters, I remember years and years ago, he wrote, if you had the decision to do something that helps you gain short-term revenue, but can hurt your brand, don't do it. Protect the brand. In the long run, do what's best for, the brand versus just taking short-term gains.
Now, if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'm here to answer them and help you out. If you enjoyed the video, like it, share it, tell people about it. Thank you very much.